Welcome everyone. Welcome to another video from Improve E-commerce. Today's video, I'll share how to rank for free listing for Google Merchant Center or any dropshipping product for your Google. Okay, today's video, I will explain how to problem for what not for this free listing. Every person has a need for this Google shopping ads, you need for Google Merchant Center. Okay, so I can see this Google Merchant Center, this one, you can approve for this one. Okay, so I can see 51.5K product already approved and green signal. It's a very happy. Okay, every person is a very happy for this one is the approved product because the Merchant Center is a very difficult for any dropshipping store, other store, any for. Okay, Merchant Center basically need for this your ads for Google shopping ads. Okay, so you can see this marketing option for ad campaign and free listing. Free listing is a very important for every business because they are not for this any single dollar for this spending for your ads spend. Okay, so how to ranking for Google free listing? Okay, so I can see this my website is a 51.5 product for this variant everything. Okay, so how to rank for my website? I can see this what to do next. It is a very important for this Merchant Center. I can see this fixed issue. You can see this fixed issue. You can look at the from this fixed issue. Okay, so I can see this fixed issue. I hope you can see this fixed issue. I can just click this fixed issue. It's a very important. I can see this our make a 3 piece or show product for this one, missing value for age group and gender and this color. Okay, I can see this problem my product. I can see this first of all I can go into this product. So I can see this product is approved, status approved, this product showing on Google. It's a very important for this one. You can see only for these ads. Okay, show on Google visibility preference. Okay, I can see this one. What the need for this missing value for age group and this gender. Okay, so I can see this edit group. It's not properly work. You can go into this one. I can copy this title, then going to our website. Then I'm going to this product. This is a product section. I can search this product. Okay. So search this product, heart reality sleep test, Bluetooth calling for P72 smartwatch. I can click this one. So it's a very important for this one. You can check the manually. I'm not for this one. Call this one. Okay. So, okay. Okay, you can checking the red mark. Okay, you can checking the red mark must be follow. Okay, I can just first of all you can see this my product is online store. Okay, then shopping and Pinterest, shop, Pinterest and TikTok. Okay, then point on sale. It's a not. It's the option for Google and YouTube. It's a red alert. It's a not active my product. It's a main issue for one. You can checking how to approve this Google and YouTube. Okay, so it's a main game for your product listing. Okay, so first of all, I can go into this one, no problem. I can solve everything. Just wait. Okay. So first of all, you can see our product, everything okay. But my product is already approved for Google Merchant Center, not problem. But free listing, not going to this one. It is a not a green signal. Okay. So first of all, I am click the my title. Okay. I am click the all or everything work. This ChatGPT. GPT. Okay, going to ChatGPT. Then first of all, I can go in this product. Just my product. Just put my link. Okay, see this plot link. I can see thanks here to SEO optimized Shopify product listing for P72 smartwatch for this red. Okay, so optimize product title for Shopify. I can see P72 smartwatch. It's a main targeted keyword. Okay, then a Bluetooth calling, heart rate, sleep monitor, fitness tracker, full touch scheme. I just copy my link, then copy. Just it is put my title, Then this is description is very important for description, and just click the description. Okay, just click the description and no matter and yes, so just click the description and put the description box. Okay, very important. And just follow my video, no problem. You can see you can rank your website automatically. Colors available. Insert color option. There's more color, more silicon and IP related. It's the good, no problem. Just optimize my website. So I am everything is good, no problem. This is Bluetooth calling, heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, long battery life, full touch screen display, smart notification, multiple spot modes and hearts is synchronized. It's very good. Okay, so now next one. First of all, I am going to this one. Nice the category. You can see this category. It's a nil. Just click the category option. Okay, this is a very important for this one. You can see this suggestion. Then click the suggestion. Okay, just click the suggestion. Just click the suggestion. Okay, I will put. Okay, just a suggestion. Then I can see smartwatch and jewelry. Then 11 suggestions, 8 suggestion. I can see this very, very important for this age group, adults, connectivity technology, Bluetooth, smartwatch for heart monitor, sleep tracker, step counter, touch screen, and targeted gender unisex. Then watch the display digital. Okay, just click the accepted all. I can see the suggestion category meta field. It's a fill up. Just you can see this magic one. I can see this product organization. Just click that zero. You can just watches on vendor. Okay, this collection, and I need to tag. I need to some tag. So going to this my option, you can see this smartwatch, Bluetooth smartwatch, fitness tracker, heart rate start. This is very, very good for this option. Okay, so this I can put this on, then see. You can see this very, very important for this tag for smartwatch, Bluetooth smartwatch, sports smartwatch. It is very, very important for this SEO, are very, very important for this Google ranking. Okay, so I can put up this link, then collection jewelry and watch and binder, everything is okay. Now I am going to this down, see this search engine listing. You can see this listing. Just put the paste title, this handle headline, just click automatic follow on this meta description. You can see this automatic full description. I can cut this meta description. Just go to my SEO this ChatGPT, then shop P27 for this. Just click this one, then follow this again card this one. Okay, so it's, shop this P700 smartwatch for this meta description. It's the most important for this SEO and your website ranking and product ranking, everything. Okay, so everything is okay. I am going to again for this one. You can see this our website. This is first of all I can optimize my title and description, everything. Just click the cutting. Then I can see this everything category. Then meta field, night meta field. You can see this meta field, this category meta field, and age group, everything okay. Then search engine listing, meta description, URL headline, everything okay. Then tags, I can input this some relevant tag, then connector, connection or collection, okay, then vendor, then watches. This is very, very important. Now you can see this wrong option. I can see this save. Now check the magic for one. Wait for this one. Wait. I can just unsave this. The product is saved. You can see this just magic for one. You can see Google and YouTube now is a green signal. Okay, so it's the main issue for your Google Merchant Center. This is a main issue for this one is a free listing not show. I can now Google needs attention in just one. I can now click. I can see everything. Okay, I hope as soon as possible or remove this one missing value for gender, missing value for age group, everything remove this one. Okay, so now I'm checking everything. I hope just wait for up to 5 minutes. You can automatically and then remove this option because I am already correction my website. Okay, this is a automatic feed for Google and YouTube. Then you can see this product details. You can see this need attention for this one. Okay, and just again for this mm, option. This is refresh. I can see this one. Okay. Still see this problem, no problem. Already updated my title. You can see this already updated my title. You can see, okay. Oh, just I can see this not okay. I can the age group. This is one. Okay, so this leadership personalities. Just wait for United States limited visibility. Okay, no. Okay, just wait. You can see. Collection. This is a tribe and tribe. Okay, everything okay. Color okay. Gender. Age group adults. Yes. Already updated. No problem. Just wait. Age group is adult. You can see this age group. No adult. No need for again. Edit already edited, just wait for up to 5 minutes. You can remove everything, every problem, remove this one. Okay, so you can see this again. I can going to this already remove, I hope, but just update it. Okay, just update. I can see this as updated. Just wait. I can get this need attention. Now you can see already one issue, I hope remove. You can see this. Okay, just wait for 5 minutes. You can see, no problem. Okay, just wait. Now I can say this product is still updating. This issue shown which might be changed. No problem. Already I can see this our website for shop for Pinterest and Google and YouTube is okay. This one very important for this one. Your free listing. Okay. I can see this one. You can checking this now again for this one. Approve. The need attention. So I see this is option my product already removed. Okay, so I can see this one. Okay, so I can approve. I hope my product is approved. This is a very important for this one. You can see this free listing and this one you're ranking your product. This is a very important your product optimization. Okay, needs any service for product optimization service or SEO service. I can help you, no problem. I am already service for more client for this e-commerce help like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and dropshipping full e-commerce marketing for this one ads, every ads for TikTok ads, Google ads, and for this one any ads. Okay, no problem. I can handle your business. I can handle your everything. Okay. So just you knock me my WhatsApp number. I can help you again. Okay. Thank you for watching this video and good luck for your business and any need any help for Google Merchant Center, Google for anyone, no problem. You can just contact me, my WhatsApp number. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. This saw this video. Please subscribe my channel and subscribe bell icon notification for more video and more update. Thank you.